Hello. Today we're going to do a memory upgrade on a Hewlett-Packard Model 2000. This particular unit only shipped with 2 gigabytes of RAM and it runs horribly slow, so we are going to give it an upgrade and give it an additional 2 gigabytes of extra memory, bringing the total up to 4 gigabytes. As always, I recommend working on equipment on an anti-static mat. Turn this over. Always remove the battery before starting. This is a fairly simple one to get into. Have one screw to this access cover. The good thing about these is they do not come out, so you have to work very hard at losing them. And on this particular one, the memory is hiding behind this little black plastic right here. There are two memory banks, and as you can see, there is only one that is filled, and that came factory shipped. And what we're going to do is add the second stick into the open bank. It just pushes right in there. Then you gently push down in until it clicks, and then push down. The little retaining clips will spread and lock into place. Put this plastic back underneath. This will improve the unit's speed tremendously. Reinsert the battery. And it is now booting. Hope this was helpful.